Oh yeah, ay. When you need a hand and you don't know why, just know that I'll be there. When the road is long and you feel so tired.
Okay, so on the weekends, what I like to do is get in the shop when I can and do any repairs, things that we have to get done. I do have a customer's bike I have to do, but I've also been waiting 4 months to, oh, I need that key, where's that thing, to work on this and, and get it going again. This is the hub motor, the 8 kilowatt hub motor for my Enduro over here, which I love. And unfortunately, as you may have got from some of the early parts of the video, it was a choice of curb or back of an SUV, and I chose the curb because, well, I have laser to recover from, as you can see. So what I'm doing now is I'm just, there we go, just getting the hub motor out of the bad rim, getting these nipples off, just taking these spokes out, and then from there what I'm going to do is relace it into the new rim and, you know, hopefully do it right and not kill myself. No. That's not an issue. Let me put them right over here. So yeah, so once I get all these off and I get it disconnected from this rim, I'll go ahead and start the relacing on the new rim that I have. As you saw maybe in the previous part of this, I do have an issue with the front rim as well that I had to pound out. Hopefully that's gonna be okay. What's up, pup? Decided to come down from the patio and grace us all with your presence. Yeah. What am I doing? I'm taking this stuff off is what I'm doing, puppy. There we go. So what I will most likely do is fast forward through this or do a little speed loop for you, so you don't have to sit here and take the 15 or 20 minutes this will probably take for me to do, and you know, for you it'll be like 2. That's what it's already been like 5-10 minutes for me. So yeah, for you it'll be a nice little breezy quick little thing, and yeah, for me it'll be like reality. Let's see here. Oh, shoot. Seriously, I've got to come up with a better tool. There's got to be a better tool to do this with. And I'm not talking the machines. I mean, there's just got to be a better general tool. Oh, you like the camera stand? What about it? Why are you so into the camera stand? Got a smell on it? Everything's got a smell on to you. It's your dog. What does this smell like is what I wonder. It's got to smell like outside and mechanics and ozone and all kinds of stuff to you, huh? Man. Yeah, I've actually taken so long to get this done. My rep has changed at the company I bought this at that I got the rim and stuff from. So hopefully everything will be cool there too, and I won't have to deal with that. But yeah, it's kind of funny. It's like, oh yeah, let me fix my tire. Good idea. Oh man, it sucked having this one down for so long. The little burrow and some of the other bikes have been filling in well, but you really want that super quick 0 to 60 and just fun to ride. I mean, there's just really nothing like it. There just isn't. Let me get this one done back up, get some more of these on order. Oh, man. Man, I fucked this thing up really good. I'll tell you, when I do stuff, I do it well. Even when I'm doing bad, I do well at it. You know what I'm saying? What's up, Barbar? You're just a loyal doggy, huh? You loyal puppa. Hanging out, always ready to hang out, always ready to go. Cannot argue with that, dog. Cannot. Just can't. Love my cats too. But they're like friends on their own time. Oh. And what you probably notice is there's slots and holes, and they're kind of opposite. They're like off each other, and the reason for that is so you can actually use that slot to put the spoke in case you didn't know. Oh, and slide them out. So it actually gives you, you're not stuck in an angle on it. Let's see here. Oh wow, this one's really jacked. And you're probably thinking, but John, the nipples are supposed to be in the rim. What happened? Well, when you have a 60-pound weight in your hub that smacks into a really cornered brick curb, you know, really like angled curb, at about 35 to 40 miles an hour, tends to rip these things right out. And they're steel. I mean, these are actually, it's a really good steel rim. I'm gonna send that to recycling. It is toast. Oh, these are fun. Yeah. Oh, that's easier. But yeah, it's, just plain physics. So it stopped and nothing else did, and it just ripped everything out from there. You can even, I've cut myself a little bit on some of these where it ripped out through the rim and really took the metal with it. So it's actually, this one's still straight. I would never use it again though. All this has got to go. These are like these are totally compromised. In my mind, you should not look at these and go, well, that one's straight. You don't know. You don't know what stress that thing went under. You don't know how hard it actually got yanked or pulled. There could be something you don't even see going on with the metal. And that's why you should not. All right. If you ever have a situation like this where you blow your tire out, just replace it all. Just replace your spokes, replace the nipples, get a new tire. Learn to do it, because that's important, right? People should know how to do things. And I'm all for getting a shop to do it for you. Don't get me wrong. I will love to charge people $100 an hour plus to be doing this for them because they don't want to. And that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But you should at least know how to do some of this so that you're not at the mercy of others when it comes to fixing your bike. That's just, that's so tough. So you may get the idea, like I show you how to repair things, we post repair videos, and a big reason for that is we are big proponents of right to repair. I believe that you should be able to fix something you buy, right? If you can't get the part from us, then you should get it somewhere else, right? And you should be able to make it work. And that's your right. You know, you spend a few $1,000s on something, which, you know, to some people I'm sure is like no money, whatever, but to the rest of us in the world who have to work and live, a few $1,000s is a lot of money. You know, if I buy something for transportation and it breaks down, I want to know that, you know, in a pinch, I might be able to fix it, or maybe my buddy who really knows how to work on these things can fix it, you know what I'm saying? And that's That's what you should be able to do. Now, keep in mind, we are working with the manufacturers as well, so that they can offer full training programs and certification based off those training programs. So, be interesting. There's some people talking about accreditation stuff, and come on, this thing's just let go. Let go! I am gonna be so dirty. Oh, Huffy over there. Miss Huffy. Come on, just drop it already. There it goes. Alright, so there's that one. Man. Oh, wow. Oh, that was really in there. Son of a bitch. Come on, you. One of you's gotta give. Come on. There we go. Aha! Gotcha. Okay. Alright, this might release enough. There we go. That might work. Oh, come on. Ah! Oh, you son of a you know the funny thing, if you don't hurt yourself, you're not working on it. That's what I used to, we used to say about Volkswagens when we were working on air cools was, if you don't bleed on it, you didn't work on it. So, don't be afraid to bleed, kids. That happens. Definitely happens. There we go. Alright, get this one away. Get this one away. Nice. Alright. Now, oh good. Yeah, I gotta come up with something better for this because there's no way I'm gonna pay somebody for an hour or two just sitting on the floor unwinding spokes. Forget that. Go. It's not very ergonomic. I know not everybody cares about ergonomics, but when you start thinking about long term and back injuries and things like that, you start thinking about ergonomics. That's part of all that corporate work I've done over the years. It just it trains you that way to think about those things, people. I wish I would have had this done a little sooner. BTS is in town. That would have been cool to go ride around in front of all them kids. All the kids. Have a good time. Ooh, there we go. Yay! Slowly but surely. Alright, two more. Where's that key? Ouch. Dude, I'm gonna cut the crap out of my... Is my tetanus recent? Hell. Now here is where interesting. That's good because I need to get this one out of the way to get at the one that's super bent. So this is good. I am going to salvage the tire. You know, obviously pretty much everything else is toast. These are good tires. They've been lasted longer than the pairs of inner tubes and rims so far. But I did have to seal this one once. Or was it the front one? One of them I had to seal already. There we go. Yay! Almost one to go. One spoke. Most of you may not get that. Well, then again, you might. I think Sesame Street is a timeless classic from what I understand. Oh, you gotta be kidding me right now. Come on. There we go. Oh, dude. Oh, that's why. This one is really messed up. It doesn't want to go right. Come on. Come on. Cooperate. Come on, just cooperate. There we go. There we go. See, sometimes if you talk nice to inanimate objects, it actually works. Don't ask me why. Even things without a soul want to be loved. Oh, and guess what, people? We are free! 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 That's right. Boom! Boom! There's your 8 kilowatt QS hub motor. Single gear. Ready to be redone. Onto this rim. There we go. I got my bag of tricks around here somewhere. My bag of spokes and nipples. And I've actually got some more work to do on this. I gotta finish taking that tire and stuff off, and that's such a pain in the ass. You don't have to watch me do that. So, you don't need to watch me do that. Let's put it that way. I got the spoons, really rank on it. But yeah, so that's it. That's a QS 8 kilowatt hub motor. Ready to relace the rim. I got out of that rim finally. Yay. And then, yeah, we'll do, I'll set up tomorrow, probably Sunday, after the coffee rant, because I do have some stuff to talk to you guys about. It's been a really amazing week. And yeah, keep going. Keep going. So we got you guys what you need. So thanks for watching. More to come. All right, another clip here. So I was trying to figure out, because when you relace these wheels, what you have to do is find a way to stand this up flat without, you know, because these motors are really heavy, first of all. I mean, you could put it up like this, but that's not gonna help. So what I did is I have a mealthy pot here, and it turns out, look at that, the mealthy pot fits perfect for putting that over. So what you'll do is take, or I guess what I'll do, is put the rim like this, and then I'll probably have some, it's actually pretty short, and then I'll slide the nipples in and begin cross-lacing in a 2x pattern on this. And then from there, I'll flip it over, right? That may be a little difficult because it's pretty heavy. And I did check, and it looks like for, I think this is the 6 quart, or maybe the 8 quart, I think it's a 6 quart mealthy pot. The 203 millimeter brake and the cord all fits down inside here. Oops. Without the insides. So as long as you have taken out the insides on this thing, right? All right, good to go. Well, we know it rolls, right? So as you're taking out the inside, you can do is fit everything in there and begin to lace that up. So that was my big concern, was finding something that would work for that. So alleviated, and the next one we'll do will probably just be the lace up.
I'll be there, I'll be there, I'll be there, I'll be there, I'll be there.